Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share my full morning routine with you in detail. I'm going to talk about everything I do from the moment I wake up until I start my work or daily activities. It's a routine that helps me stay productive, calm, and happy throughout the day, and I hope it can help you too. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. My alarm usually goes off at 6:30 in the morning. I try my best to get up immediately, but honestly, some days I feel really tired and want to hit the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes. Sometimes that turns into 15 minutes, but I've learned that getting up right away helps me feel more energetic later. So, I'm working on that habit. When I first wake up, I lie in bed for a minute or two. I don't want to jump out immediately because I like to let my body and mind slowly adjust from sleeping to waking. I open my eyes and look around the room. The sunlight coming through the window is usually soft and golden, especially in the early morning. Sometimes I hear birds chirping outside or the quiet sound of leaves moving in the breeze. These small things help me feel calm and connected with nature, even inside my home. After a few moments lying still, I stretch my arms above my head and try to stretch my whole body as much as I can. Stretching is a wonderful way to wake up the muscles and prepare the body for the day. It feels really good to release tension and stiffness. I also yawn a little, something our bodies naturally do when waking up. Then, I slowly sit up and swing my legs over the edge of the bed. I place my feet on the floor, feeling the coolness beneath them. The cold floor often helps me feel more awake and alert. I stand up and take a deep breath. In my mind, I say, today is going to be a good day. This small mental exercise helps me start with positive energy and focus. I head to the bathroom to freshen up. The floor is cool and smooth, and I switch on the light. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. Smiling at myself helps me feel confident and ready. Then, I wash my face with cold water. The cold splash wakes me up and makes me feel clean and refreshed. I gently pat my face dry with a towel. Next, I brush my teeth carefully. I usually take my time because it's important to keep my mouth healthy and fresh. Sometimes I listen to a short English podcast or music while brushing. It's a nice way to practice my English or simply enjoy a calm moment. I find that having a small routine like this keeps me motivated and focused. After brushing, I take a shower. The water temperature depends on the weather outside. In the winter, I enjoy a warm shower because it's cozy and relaxing. In summer, I prefer cold water because it wakes me up and cools my body. While showering, I sometimes think about my plans for the day or hum my favorite song quietly. It's a small personal moment of peace before the busy day begins. When I finish showering, I dry myself with a towel and get dressed. If I'm going out or working in meetings, I wear neat and formal clothes. If I'm working from home or having a relaxed day, I put on comfortable clothes like a t-shirt and soft pants. Dressing comfortably yet presentably helps me feel good about myself. Once dressed, I head to the kitchen. I start by drinking a glass of warm water. Warm water is great for digestion and helps wake up my internal organs gently. Then, I prepare breakfast. I usually like to keep breakfast simple but nutritious. Some of my favorite options include toast with peanut butter, scrambled eggs, oatmeal with fruits, or fresh fruit like bananas and apples. I make sure to eat something healthy because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. While eating, I often listen to English podcasts or watch short videos. This is a good habit I developed to improve my English listening skills. It makes breakfast time both relaxing and educational. I try to learn new words or phrases every day by paying attention to the language used in the podcasts. Before I start working, I take a few minutes to sit quietly. I close my eyes, breathe deeply, and try to clear my mind. This meditation-like moment helps me calm down and prepare mentally for the day. After this, I feel ready, confident, and energized to begin my work or daily activities. That's my full morning routine, step by step. I hope sharing this with you helps you understand how simple habits can make a big difference in how your day goes. If you don't have a morning routine yet, I encourage you to try creating one. Start small, be consistent, and see how it changes your energy and mood. Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed this video or podcast, please like, share, and subscribe.